Started.
Okay, friends, I am Dr. Heena, and in the last session for scholarship grade 7, we are learning the topic series and order, in which our last topic is related to letters and alphabets. Again, while solving the problems based on alphabet, you have to give numbering first to that alphabet. After giving the numbering, you can have an idea whether they are related to prime number or there is a specific gap in between the two alphabets. Okay, so pattern we can identify only and only if we can be able to give the numbering to the alphabets. Okay, and from left to right, from right to left hand, both the things you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now we will solve directly the practice exercise. Some of the problems we will solve. Rest you try at home. And this will be the very short lecture for tomorrow. And I hope you will understand the concept. Now see, choose the correct option in order that will replace the question mark. Okay. So alphabets are given as M, K, G and E. So first you give the numbering. 13th position is of M, K is at 11th position, G is at 7th position, E is at 5th position. So if you look carefully, 5, 7, 11, 13, if we find the gap, there is a gap of 2 letter in between E and G, but the gap between G and K is of 4 letter. Again here the gap of 4 letter is 2 letter is there, 1 letter is there. So there is no specific pattern here, but if you look carefully, 5, 7, 11, 13, all these are prime numbers. So the number which is prime and which come before 5, that will be your answer. So 3 is the prime number which come before 5, and at third position in alphabet series letter C is there. So your answer is option number 3, means C. Now the second question, if you all can look, we had solved the same question in last series also. So L L L 3 times, then 3 times M. Now in the next series, M comes at the left side, L goes to the right side. Number of M remains same, but L reduces by 1. Now again left side में L will come ahead. It will remain in same number, but number of M reduces. Okay. Again M comes forward. It will remain in same number and number of L reduces. Now what will happen next? L will come at the first position and number of M reduces by 1 number. So LM should be the answer. So option number 3 is the correct answer here, not ML, because L will take the first position now. Alternatively, they are replacing their position, and one by one alphabet is getting reduced. Okay. Now the next one. T F D R G F T H H N I J. Now here you have to look, or you have to think like this. First letter of this group, first letter of another, next group, then next group, then next group. So you have to think of the first letter of each group. Okay. Then think of second letter, then third letter. So if you look carefully about the first letter, N, L, M, N, we say N, then O, P, means there is a gap of 1 alphabet, or you add 2 alphabet in it. So you will get the next alphabet, or you will reduce 2 alphabets, so you get the next alphabet in the series. So O, N, O, P. Q, R, means again in between P and Q there is a gap of 1 alphabet. So -2, R -2, P -2, N, T -2, R. So N -2, which alphabet will come? L, M, N, so L will come at the first position. Now if you look for F, G, E, F, G, F, the next alphabet is G only. G's next alphabet is H only, H, I, then which is next? J. Okay. And again D, E, F. Again the gap of one alphabet is missing in between D and F, F and H, H and J. So J, K, L. So L, J, L will be the group in the next series. So option number 3 is the correct answer here. Like this you have to think of the pattern when there is a group of alphabet. First alphabet of each group, is there any similarity in between them? Second, third, fourth, if group of 4 alphabet is there or what? Okay. Now the next one again, S, T, R, U. You can find the gap in between them and you can solve it. So this one is for your homework. Okay. Now B, D. Now see, one is missing here in between B and D. 2 letters are missed in between D and G. E, F is not there. H, I, J, 3 missing letters. K, then L, M, N. No, here again L, M. So only one is missing. N, O, 2 is missing. So here 3 letter must be missed and then the next letter will be there in the alphabet. So P, after P, Q, R, S, we should omit and we will take T. So T is the correct option here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this the pattern is here. Okay. Now the next one. A, E, D, F, J, G, K, O, L, P, T, Q, and you have to find the next in the series. Okay. So again you can see the first of them, that is what is the gap in between A and F. So B, C, D, E, 4 letters are missed. Then after F, G, H, I, J, 4 letters again missed, means we had add 5 alphabets, we had add 5 alphabets here. So L, M, N, O, P. Then add 5 alphabets in P to get the next one. So Q, R, S, T, your next series first alphabet is U only. Okay. Now same thing you apply here, E, F, G, H, I, J. Then K, L, M, N, O. 5th letter is taken. So added 6th alphabet in it. So add 6 alphabet in T. Q, R, S, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So Y will be there. And then you can find the next one, or you need not find the next one because U, Y, V is only one option showing such a pattern. So option number 1 is the correct answer here. Now A and G, C and D, E and A, F and H, give numbering to alphabet first. 1. G is at which position? 7. C is at 3rd position, D is at 4th position, E is at 5th position, A is at 1st position, F is at 6th position and H is at 8th position. Now if you look carefully, 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, 17 4 is 68, 17 5 is 85. Now which pair shows the numbering as 8 and 5? So you can find that H and E. H belongs to number 8, E belongs to number 5. So HE is the correct option which is there in the alphabet series, the next letter. Okay. Again here the same thing you have to apply XU, XBU, first letter of each group, then second, then third, you can see and you can have an idea of what will be the answer there. Now the next one. Now see, A, B, C, D, E, they are in sequence and 5 alphabets are taken. Okay. After that, F, G, H, I, 4 left and fifth alphabet is taken. J, K, L, M. Okay. And there are 4 in number. Then N, O, P. 3 letters are skipped, means in M 4 alphabets are added, we get the Q. And only 3 letters, 3 alphabets are there in the group. Now here 2 alphabets must be there in the group because the next series shows 1 alphabet in the group. Okay. So 2 alphabets and after adding 3 alphabets in S. So T, U, V. So V, W is the correct answer here. So the option number 3 is the correct answer for the question number 9. Now we will directly see the fraction wala sum. Now see, if you see H upon D, okay, means H is at 4th position, 8th position, D is at 4th position, we get the answer as 2. P is at 16th position, 4th position for D, so we get the answer as 4. L is at 12th position, B is at 2nd position, so if we do the division, we got the answer as 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now the next fraction shows the answer as 10. So think which option will be there. So if you look carefully, T is at 20th position and B is at 2nd position. So if we divide 20 with 2, we got the answer as 10. So our correct option is option number 2, T upon B. Now in the next one, now see. If you look carefully for this question, you can find that 17 is near to the 16, which is the square of 4, and 1 is added in the square of 4. 37 is near to 36, which is the square of 6, and 1 again added here. 82 is a square of 9 and 1 is added here. Okay. 13 ka square is 169 and 1 is added into that, and the next one is 18. Now what is the gap in between these two? There is a gap of 2, then 3, then 4. Gap increases by number 1. Okay. So your option shows 169 at the denominator and numerator is m. So m upon 170, because we have to add 1 into the square of the given number. So m upon 170 is the correct option. Now the next one. So E, H, K, N, if there is any pattern in between these alphabets which are there at the numerator, you first check. So first give numbering to the alphabet. E is at 5th position, H is at 8th position, K is at 11th position, and N is at 14th position. So if you look carefully, there is a gap of 3, or you add 3 into previous, so you will get the next successor. Okay, so add 3 into the 14, so you will get the next alphabet in the series. So add 3 alphabets in N. So N, then O, P, Q. So Q will be there at numerator, and again here again we had added 3 in each term. So add 16 plus 3, you get the answer as q upon 19, which is the option number 4. So like this you have to solve the questions for fraction, and we had seen some group. For the group of alphabets also we had seen some patterns. For single alphabet we had seen the pattern. So you can solve the remaining sums at home, and we will meet in the next class.